top of the hour, let's get you updates from the Congress alleging that the BJP won the Maharashtra Assembly elections through a fraud like never before. Here is the Congress party president Mallikarjun Kharge, who seems to be reiterating and making another strong pitch for having elections on ballot paper. Addressing the AICC session, as Mallikarjun Kharge has also accused the Modi government of selling off government assets to benefit crony capitalists and finishing democracy slowly. He says that the world is moving from EVMs to ballot paper, but we are still using EVMs. This is nothing but a fraud, and they've asked us to prove it. You've devised such techniques that benefit the ruling party and put the opposition at a disadvantage. Here is Mallikarjun Kharge, however, has been taking on not just the government but also in the Election Commission of India, where he says, but the youngsters of the country will rise and says that they want the return of ballot paper.
राहुल जी ने ये सवाल पहले उठाए, पार्लियामेंट में उठाए, प्रेस में बोले, हम लोग बोले, लेकिन सरकार असर नहीं हुआ। अरे असेंबली और पार्लियामेंट इलेक्शन के बीच में अगर 50 लाख वोट्स वहां पर ज्यादा होते हैं तो आप ही बताइए, ये कैसा डेमोक्रेसी, ये कैसा इलेक्शन कमीशन, ये कैसा वोटर लिस्ट उन्होंने बनाया। सब फर्जी बना के जीत गए। महाराष्ट्र का इलेक्शन ये तो फ्रॉड है, डेमोक्रेसी पे ये एक मार है। इसलिए यही बात हरियाणा में भी हुई है। हो सकता है वो छोटे प्रमाण पे हुई, लेकिन सबसे बड़े पैमाने में हमारे पास ही है। अरे हमारे सीट सबसे ज्यादा पार्लियामेंट में आ सकते हैं, वही वोटर लिस्ट सिर्फ थोड़े दिन में बदल के एमएलए उनके आते हैं। मैं कहीं नहीं सुना, कहीं नहीं देखा कि ये बीजेपी वहां 150 सीटें लड़ती है और 150 सीटें लड़ती है और 138 सीटें लाती है।
Well, Nyamika is connected with us. Nyamika, good afternoon. Not the first time that we are hearing Mallikarjun Kharge there criticizing as far as the result of Maharashtra elections is concerned. Again, he has criticized the use of the electronic voting machines and accusing the ruling party of eroding democracy through calculated manipulation.
Well, indeed, the Congress leaders are continuously making this allegation, specifically while talking about the Maharashtra Assembly elections, where they have stated that there are various irregularities which has been reported from the state of Maharashtra, and that is what is being mentioned in today's speech as well by the Congress President Mallikarjun Kharge. He has not just stated that these are the irregularities which have been reported from the state of Maharashtra, but he has also questioned the Election Commission of India, the democracy of our country, because he had stated that it is the BJP's fake voter list which had made sure that they will be able to form the government in the state, as he has stated that it is because of the technologies which are being used by the BJP government at the center that they are being able to win the elections in various states. He has also given a claim stating that in many of the developed countries the ballot papers have been opted, but in our country the BJP is stuck with the EVMs. They are not ready to accept the ballot papers only because these are the technologies which are helping the BJP to win these assembly elections. So clearly it is one more time which when the Congress party is hit out at the BJP government, stating that they are misusing these agencies, they are misusing the EVMs to win the elections. And not just this, but in fact the Congress President Mallikarjun Kharge has also made several other allegations upon the BJP government, as it had stated, he had stated that they are trying to create a divide within the communities. They are dividing the people of this country, and for that reason he has urged the Congress members to make sure that they will fight back against such kind of narrative which is being prepared by the BJP. They had also, the Congress President Mallikarjun Kharge has also asked the Congress members to make sure that wherever there are elections which are coming in the upcoming days, then the voter list should should be checked properly by the Congress members itself, because he had given this claim that the BJP is only
but Nyamika, why are
elections
election results in other states being conveniently forgotten by the Congress? What happened in Jharkhand? What happened in Jammu and Kashmir? What happened in Delhi? That's the third strike that the Congress party got in getting a zero as far as Delhi elections are also concerned. Here he is calling it as calculated manipulation, something that the Congress party that has been standing calling it as far as manipulation when it comes to the electoral rolls are also concerned, and saying that the world is going back to ballot paper. Isn't it the other way around, where the world seems to be giving examples of how the biggest democracy in the world is carrying out elections on such a large scale?
Well, indeed, as this is the double standards of the Congress party, if we talk about it, because when it is being questioned by the Congress leaders that what about those states where they are being able to form the government, then they say that it is the people of that state who have rejected the narrative of the BJP, who have rejected the BJP in for making sure that they won't be able to form the government in that particular state, whether it is about Jammu Kashmir or Jharkhand. But when it comes to the states like
electoral integrity, here is Mallikarjun Kharge saying that the world is moving back to ballot paper. However, India continues to rely on EVMs. The BJP, meanwhile, has now hit back and countering when it comes to Mallikarjun Kharge's farzi voter list or fraud, as he has been claiming that has been the results of Maharashtra Assembly elections. Here is the BJP saying that the Congress preferred introspect when it comes to its multiple defeats that it has been facing.
देखिए, आपको अगर नाकामयाबी मिलती है जब और बार बार मिलती है तो बहुत हिम्मत का काम होता है कि खुद के ऊपर झांकना या खुद पे आरोप लगाना। यहाँ हम कर नहीं पाए, लोगों ने हमारी बात नहीं सुनी, हमने कुछ गलतियां की है जिसके कारण हम हार गए। तो इसके लिए बहुत बड़ा दिल होना चाहिए, ब्रेव हार्ट होना चाहिए, ब्रेव हार्ट। उतनी हिम्मत तो आप कांग्रेस में कोई लीडर में नहीं रहा। तो बहुत आसान है कि दूसरे के ऊपर आप लांछन लगा दो, ये कर दो वो कर दो। कैसे इलेक्शन में धांधली होती है, मैं खड़गे जी से, बहुत सीनियर नेता है हमारे, उनसे अनुरोध करूंगा कि कभी पश्चिम बंगाल के इलेक्शन के बारे में थोड़ा जानकारी लीजिएगा या दीदी से पूछ लीजिएगा फोन करके, धांधली कैसे करते हैं। दीदी आपको पूरा एनसाइक्लोपीडिया थमा देगी कि कैसे इलेक्शन में धांधली किया जाता है।
कांग्रेस संविधान करती है, पर संविधान या कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन में भरोसा नहीं है, कंडीशनल कमिटमेंट टू कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन है। कांग्रेस पार्टी को परिवार तंत्र में भरोसा है, लोकतंत्र की संस्थाओं में नहीं। खड़गे जी बोलते ईवीएम ईसीआई ये सब फर्जी है। वाह खड़गे जी, चुनाव जीतो तेलंगाना में ईवीएम ठीक, चुनाव जीतो कर्नाटका में ईवीएम ठीक, चुनाव जीतो और अन्य राज्यों में ईवीएम ईसीआई ठीक। जब चुनाव महाराष्ट्र हरियाणा में हार जाओ या केंद्र में हार जाओ तो ईवीएम ईसीआई फर्जी है, गड़बड़ है। इसी को कहते हैं कंडीशनल कमिटमेंट टू कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन। जब आप कोर्ट केस जीतो तो सुप्रीम कोर्ट ठीक, वरना सुप्रीम कोर्ट को गाली। लोकतांत्रिक संस्थाएं तब ठीक जब आपके ऊपर कोई केस ना चले। अगर आपके ऊपर करप्शन का केस चले तो लोकतांत्रिक संस्थाएं जो है वो पूरी तरह से ध्वस्त हो चुकी है। अगर इलेक्शन हार जाए तो इलेक्शन कमीशन फर्जी, इलेक्शन जीत जाए तब ठीक।
Well, Arunil, as far as when it comes to Congress party is concerned, and time and again that they have been reiterating, especially when it comes to Maharashtra Assembly elections, the kind of setback that the Congress and the Aghadi had to face. They can't believe that over 90% of the seats had gone in the favor of the BJP. And he's saying bring back ballot paper because he says that there is no point in continuing to rely on EVMs, which he believes are manipulated.
Well, Amita, good afternoon to you. Basically, during the Haryana polls as well, it was the Congress party which was tipped to win the Haryana polls. However, after the BJP came from behind and became victorious in Haryana, they were the alliance partners of the Congress parties. Basically, the parties that are there in India Alliance, they only told Congress that you are not doing it enough. You basically should have took Arvind Kejriwal with you. Aam Aadmi Party alliance should have happened. And only because of your ego, you have lost in Haryana. Same is the case in Maharashtra as well. The Congress party and the Maha Vikas Aghadi had done exceedingly well when it comes to Lok Sabha polls. The Congress party had emerged the largest party during the Lok Sabha elections. However, only within 6 months, the tables clearly turned. And turned how? Basically, 233 out of 288 seats been won by the Mahayuti. That is BJP, Eknath Shinde, Shiv Sena, Ajit Pawar's NCP. And only 50 seats were managed by the Mahavikas Aghadi. A paltry 50 seats were managed by the Mahavikas Aghadi. And Congress party managed same number of seats that they managed during the Lok Sabha polls. But here they had contested more than 100 number of seats. Despite that, an extremely shoddy show. And still now also in Maharashtra, the alliance partners, be it Uddhav Thackeray or Sharad Pawar, have told the Congress party that it is a time for self-introspection. You should take your alliance partners together. It should not be a game of one-upmanship. But it seems like the leaders from the Congress party, be it Rahul Gandhi, in February he had questioned the election commission asking for a full voters list. Here
yes,
well,
because he is something that he had said had resonated in parliament as well. But here is Mallikarjun Kharge, who has accused the BJP-led central government also of systematically undermining the constitution and democratic institutions over the past 11 years. Let's pay out more reactions coming in.
इसमें कोई शक नहीं कि ईवीएम पर सबको शक है। भारत एक देश है जहां ईवीएम चलते हैं। अमेरिका में, पूरे यूरोप में, पूरे जापान में कोई ईवीएम नहीं, ईवीएम को के पास नहीं जाते, क्योंकि वो जानते हैं इसको फिक्स किया जा सकता है। अभी जो सबूत आए हैं इसमें साफ स्पष्ट है कि ईवीएम एक बहुत बड़ा धोखा है।
और सर ने जो कहा कि नेताओं को आराम करने की जरूरत है, जो पार्टी में योगदान, उस पर आप कुछ कहेंगे सर?
हाँ बिल्कुल, जो सक्रिय नहीं है उनको आराम करना चाहिए।
आपकी क्या प्रतिक्रिया
इसमें?
Well, senior Congress leader and former Chief Minister there, Kamal Nath, agreeing as far as when it comes to the party lines are concerned, because they continue to take on the BJP and the central government as far as when it comes to fueling divisive narratives as well. Also saying that when it comes to the constitution that has been undermined, also saying that democratic institutions in the country are at a risk, and also when it comes to electoral fraud, that he believes that the Maharashtra elections have been won, where he has not only taken on the BJP-led central government but also on the Election Commission of India, where Mallikarjun Kharge was speaking at the All India Congress Committee session in Ahmedabad, where he has criticized the use of electronic voting machines and accusing the ruling party of eroding democracy when it comes to manipulation. And this is not only the first opposition party that has raised questions over the EVM and their use. Of course, this is the time when we often use EVM ka bahana, that is just before when it comes to the elections or even after the elections, that we see opposition parties, they find themselves indulging when it comes to political blame game. Arunil, for the moment, thank you very much for joining in. Well, that's